The Range Rover Sport incorporates a powered tailgate with proximity sensing, allowing you easier access to the load space. This video will show you how to operate the powered tailgate and how to set a maximum opening height. The Range Rover Sport powered tailgate incorporates proximity sensing to detect obstacles that may interfere with the opening and closing of the tailgate. The tailgate can also be programmed to open at a set maximum height, making access easier in confined spaces. The powered tailgate can be opened in one of four ways: by using the tailgate button on the SmartKey, the internal tailgate button located on the driver's side of the fascia, the external tailgate button located above the license plate, or the gesture tailgate feature. To operate the tailgate using the external button, the doors need to be unlocked and park selected. You can open the tailgate with neutral selected, but the ignition needs to be switched off or in convenience mode. To open, press the button. If the proximity sensor detects an obstruction while opening, the tailgate stops moving. Remove the obstruction and press the button again. The tailgate opens to the set height. You can now raise or lower the tailgate manually. To close, press the tailgate close button on the lower edge of the tailgate. If any obstruction is detected while closing, the tailgate stops moving and then reverses to the fully open position. A warning tone sounds to indicate a mislock. Remove the obstruction and press the tailgate close button again. If you leave the SmartKey in the load space and you've locked the vehicle and set the alarm, you'll hear a warning tone and the tailgate reopens after 3 seconds. Be warned that radio frequency interference or metal objects shielding the SmartKey may cause the tailgate to close and lock with no means of opening again. You can set the tailgate to open to a maximum height when parking in areas with low ceilings or just for ease of use. To do this, open the tailgate to the desired height. Stop the movement at any point by pressing the tailgate open button or position manually. The tailgate needs to be stationary for at least 3 seconds before you set the height. After this time, press the tailgate close button. When the opening height is set, you'll hear a chime. Check that the programmed height is set correctly by closing and then reopening the tailgate again. The gesture tailgate only operates if you have a valid SmartKey on you or within 3.9 feet of your vehicle and the ignition is switched off. As you approach the rear of the vehicle, check that the surrounding area is clear of any obstruction and that your standing area is not unstable or slippery. When safe to do so, make a smooth upward kick motion below one of the sensors. The sensors are located below the rear bumper, one on either side. Be careful not to touch the exhaust during the process, as it may be hot. When the sensor recognizes a foot gesture, the turn signals flash and the tailgate automatically opens. If the foot gesture is not recognized, a warning tone sounds. Adjust your positioning and perform the gesture again. For more information on your Range Rover Sport, visit LandRoverUSA.com or contact your retailer.